Same-day joint replacement with no overnight stay is now possible thanks to the experts at Ohio State. Dr. Nicholas Greco is here to explain.
So advancements in the surgical procedure and the anesthesia really have made it possible for patients to recover quicker and return home. We have expertise in muscle-sparing approaches to the hip and knee, which allow the body to recover more quickly after surgery and allow patients to discharge home after the procedure. We have them undertake preoperative physical therapy, and that allows them to learn exercises they'll need for the recovery ahead of time and really develop muscle memory to make the recovery easier. That pre- and post-operative surgical care is also really important in facilitating the same-day discharge.
Who's a candidate for this procedure?
Patients that have a healthy, active lifestyle before surgery enjoy activities such as jogging, weightlifting, cycling, and hiking. And then after surgery, participate in local physical therapy with therapists in the community that specialize in taking care of patients recovering from joint replacement surgery. Then we can make adjustments to the routines and exercises they perform as needed to meet the patient's goals.